welcome back. Looks like I just hit my mic. Uh, my mic, after some experimentation and very long morning, is doing better. It's not bad. It's not as garbage. It's not very staticky. I know it makes a little bit of static when I talk, but as soon as I stop talking, it goes away. And it isn't overall bad, and my voice usually covers it. I don't know if it's going to be like that on your end, but on my end, that's what I'm receiving. Let me know in the comments, I guess. Basically, I have picked all the settings already. I'm showing you them now. What are the settings now, you ask? Well, settings are our warden is Safara Koknova, male prisoner. We got the Bounty Bandit, this little boy. Warden mode is turned off, map size small, fog of war, desert plot, generate forest, generate lakes, daily conditions, gangs, dynamic verifications, events, weather and temperature, staff needs, escape plans are all turned on. Now, I'm just going to hover over each one and you can read the quick description, pause the video. Okay, if that was a little fast for you, I apologize, but pause the video and read them if you really want to. Now, I'm just going to press play, load into it, get right into it. First thing we're going to do is go to reports, intake closed. We don't need any prisoners yet. Our cash flow is positive. We are getting cash flow for doing nothing. Love it. Yeah. Walls, going to go through fences. I'm going to go through floor, through dirt. And then we'll get those fencing spots later. Now we're going to jump to the doors. I can't delete that specifically yet. Okay, no, foundation. We need foundation. So concrete. I don't want brick. I haven't used brick. Let's use brick. 8 by 10. Let me do some quick math. Because the water boiler is a 3 by 3. I mean the water boiler. The water pump is a 3 by 3 to get water, to toilets and sinks and that whole prison. And the, how you can say, electrical, I don't know, I forgot its exact name. Basically, it creates electricity. The generator. And it needs capacitors around it. It can go all around it, all the way around it, in a circle. And so it starts as a 3 by 3, but in the end it will be a 5 by 5. Yeah, a 5 by 5. So, pause. That's out of the wall, so right here, right here, and then, okay, so it needs to be a 5 by 3. Here. There we go. That's beautiful, that's gorgeous, that is in fact amazing. You know what we need though? We need to get a 5. And we need that door. Specifically, staff door. Flooring. Baby stuff. Where's some of all my workers? Oh, they're over here. Doing great work, guys. Doing great work. You can think it's just the one worker by himself working over here. I appreciate you. What's your name? What's your name? Harley. Harley, you're the man. And then you can go through the walls. And you can go through the walls. Go through this. And then we can put the wall over it. Simple. Science. Scientific in fact. Okay. Well, you might be saying, hey, wait, they can't get out. Too bad. Too bad. It's okay. That is okay, because we are going to use that. Oh man, that is really close. No, it's not that close. Oh, we want to get the flooring down first. Hey, why not? Oh, okay. I don't know what was going on. I know it's nighttime. Ah, crap. I forgot to turn off auto lights. God. We're gonna go utilities, messages. I've only played this game. No. I haven't played this game much, but I played a test game to get the feel of the game and see how it works. But mainly that was it. Okay, there we go. We'll get one free capacity. I'll place it there. In fact, I'll place 3 there. I'll buy 2 more there. 1,000 each. Very expensive. Very. Basically, yes. I'm gonna take. I like to personally do this, where I make the big electrical, which is the normal one, and the big pipe go together, and then small pipes can like branch off of it. Wait, well, why are you guys just standing around? Oh, forgot. I trapped all of you outside. Flooring. Dirt. No. It's super unexpected. Dirt is completely extremely unexpected. Might as well just get rid of all the dirt. I'll replace all of it. And I need to do that. Yeah, I need to do that anyways. That's gonna be quite a bit of work. Okay, I still got a few minutes of time. Whoa, did you just automatically... What? How? Didn't know it did that. Alright, I mean... Okay. You know what? No. Delete all of this. I don't like that there. It hurts my feelings. In fact, we're just gonna do this. We're then going to... Not self-flooring. Is it an option? Demolish wall. How do you pick up? Bulldoze. How do you bulldoze that? I can't. Help! Hey, help! Please, flooring, self-flooring. Is that how this works? What? That makes no sense. I mean, alright. I'm confused, scared, hurt. All the above. Ah, crap, I forgot. I guess I'll have to let them escape a little bit. Ugh, fine. No, they placed it themselves. The hell is... I'm scared. Suddenly I felt absolute sure. Walls, perimeter wall, way too expensive. That's why we use fence. It's better. It's not better, but it's much more cost effective. Or a lot more cheaper, I should say. Maybe a road gate. Okay. And they'll give you no problems. Okay, oh crap. Alright, that's my alarm. I usually try to keep these videos around 10 minutes. And I say it's going great. I'm gonna place those two there. That's good. Alright. We are going to, I guess, end it here. I mean, yeah, and you know what? You know, it's changed, you know, things. I have plans going on. You don't even know. You don't even know my plans. That's more garbage area than we will ever need. What do you mean, failed? That's leaving plenty of space. You couldn't ask for more. Okay. Oh, it just had to go away. Okay, wait, never mind. Dumb. I'm a little small brain going on here. Crap. Is that it? Yeah. That's more than we'll ever need. And then we're going to go to deliveries. And storage. 8 out of 10. Just the way it is, my guys. Alright, that's just it. Delete those. I said delete those. And that's where I gotta end it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this episode 1. Now let's talk about the schedule. Basically, as of now, I plan to at least do a video every maybe Sunday? Actually, what day? I believe it is Saturday. It is Saturday, yes. Saturday? Yes, it is Saturday. So I want to do like a video every Sunday or Saturday, every weekend, basically. And then go off from there, either slow down if I need to, or speed up if I need to. And overall, I hope you guys just enjoy. I'm trying my best, I'm doing my best, and I hope you are trying your best. There it goes, there. I was trying to get it for a while. Anyway, GG, and I'll see you later.